weather?
It's currently cloudy and 14 degrees.
Car says 37.
Firmware V01.03.0210. Got what I needed, piece of wood. It's the expensive one, so I can complete my shelf modification adaptation. So here I am. I got a box to ship out. I did a lot of things today, and deja vu, man. Deja vu. Makes you feel good when you do something good for people, right? Do something good here. Yeah. Now I got a piece of wood. I got to cut it down to size, fit it in, and I'm going to have a little trouble getting on the other side. Not at all. I know what to do. Lay a couple of nails on the inside and lay it on the board. Yeah, man, I can make some keyholes and things like that. But nails or pegs to level it out, make shelves, and raise it up to the heights I want. Oh, no scooter ride, no bike ride. It's a car ride. Let's get this bad boy where it needs to go. I don't get it. I missed it by a minute, and it's a lot more than before. Off it goes. Double the pleasure. Isn't that double mint gum? When you jump up in the air like, hey, Toyota. I'm in a Toyota. I could jump up in the air and do the double clap on the feet. I got something I can vlog about, do a little edit about, and share to the world about. The best thing, I got done real fast and taken care with pleasure, and that's all that mattered. And on that note, maybe I'll go load firmware V01.03.0330 and maybe firmware 103.0440 will hit the market soon. Firmware version V01.03.01.20. And yeah, I'm heading on out. Nice sunny day. And I got my little package with me. I'm gonna go have some fun with it. Come along. I heard it was super cold for one of these things to start, but I'm gonna go start up anyway. I had to swing it over my shoulder real far back just to hold up there correctly, and I gotta walk like this so it don't slip and slide off that shoulder blade. I basically deleted all my customs off, so I don't have a problem anymore. I don't have to worry about this camera switching over to the wrong settings. I should have worn my boots. I'm just gonna go find a nice spot, sit down, and enjoy. All right, I'm all ready to get up and go. I don't love phones, but it says here I am. Get a flight. Looks pretty good, it's hovering. Off I go. Yeah, they got to pick the one I'm right in the front. I was right in front of their way. That's the way it goes. So I'm out of here. I had my fun for the time. I'm gonna enjoy sharing my footage. Playing catch the prisoner. Keep the kid out. Keep the adult in. That's the fun we have here. I just hear mumble jumble. Don't understand a word people say anymore. I'm out of here. I'm heading on back. Got footage to edit, video to share.